here the class 4, right? This is class 4, or else what? Here comments, I'll mention date here, it is better, right? 28 1 2025. Okay, so here so after that we will see the constraints. What is constraints? What is constraints?
Primary key, foreign key,
Yeah,
not null.
the keys are two types, right? Keys are
Yeah,
two types.
two types.
So that is
Primary keys are two types. They are primary key and foreign key.
okay.
And we have five types of constraints. That is not null,
Mm,
unique,
mm,
check, default, and index.
yes. So I'm going to creating the constraints now. That is again you need to create a database. I'm telling many of times for creation of database and inserting of the tables for each topic wise. I'm telling beginning onwards, from beginning onwards. Already existing table I'm not modifying. Why? Because you people are confusing, so that's why I'm writing again and again this. Okay, so here you need to create database. Oh wait a second, I will save this. This is data type. Okay, data type. Leave on a desktop here. So already I'm telling SQL queries here. So save. Okay, it will better to while opening this all the things. So I'm creating new query. New query here. Create the database. Create this database. Database name will be constraints. Okay, database name will be the constraints here. So execute. So after use constraints. Okay, same name. Take the database name, the constraints. Execute this. Just a second. Execute. So here create a table. The table name will be the department. Table name will be the department. Here I am inserting the column. Okay, what is department? Department ID. I'm taking here. Okay, next along with this. Okay, department ID. So here I'm indicating the data type. What is the data type? Int. Okay, so here I'm taking the not null, the primary key as well. Primary key. Okay, so after I'm taking department name, department name, varchar. Varchar will be what? The varchar will be data type, right? So here I'm taking 100 of size, enough, 100 actually, 100 of size. Here not null, unique. So unique constraints will be allowed this. Unique. Okay, so I will give comment for this. So we are doing the single line comment. In SQL we will use hyphens. Okay, so here the primary key is the primary key means it will allow only uh, unique values as well. Single sorry, not duplications will not allowed. So constraint. So here I will take another thing, unique constraint here. Unique constraint. Enter and end with the semicolon. Okay. So here I'm creating another table using all constraints here. Okay. Actually, I'm not using here the foreign key, just a naming purpose I'm using foreign key because we need to use that foreign key. We know the how to use the joins concept. I didn't tell you the joins concepts while it is coming to the left join, right join. In that cases, I'll tell you. Just understanding purpose only, I will tell you the normal foreign key how it will use. Please don't be confused. Okay, it will there the foreign key, it will there the ma sorry trauma, it will there the two tables, that is parent table and child table. So I'm create table, create table, uh, table name will be the employee. Table name will be the employee. Okay, employee. Here employee ID. Okay, so here in I'm taking not null primary key here, not null primary key. Okay, so next first name so first name will be the varchar. So here 50 size I'm taking, not null. Okay, so enter last name it will be the varchar. So I'm not taking any here, so just I'm taking the 50 of size, that's it. Okay, so wait a second, I didn't end with this comma. So again I'm creating the foreign key purpose. Again I'm creating the department ID. I have given the department ID here, right? So for foreign key purpose, what is foreign key? It is wants to match the names or else IDs based on data or is based on IDs. So it will present the table 1, it is matches, table 2 is matches, that columns, that data has to be printed. Okay, if not, it won't be printed. Is it clear, right? So department, yeah, uh, department ID in. Here not null I'm taking, not null. Okay, not null. The foreign key. Okay, so here I'm taking the department ID. So here also I'm taking the department ID. Okay, so salary in decimal format. So decimal I'm taking 10 comma 2 is default. Okay, So default here I'm taking, I'm mentioning here, default here I'm taking, default value, the 30,000 I will take, okay? Default value 30,000. Okay, so after that I will take age. Age, it will be int. Here check, I'm writing the check condition here. It is age will be greater than equal to 18, 18 and direct I'm applying the condition here. Age uh, sorry, greater than and less than or equal to, less than or equal to 65. I'm writing the condition here. So it will understand in the front end what you are using in the web pages. Okay, so here email varchar, email varchar, here 100. Okay, so here it will be the unique value. Okay, so after you can take the foreign key here. Foreign key, what we have taken there, foreign key, what we have taken there, that is department ID, right, as a foreign key. Department ID. Okay, this is a reference ID. Reference ID and department. Department. So here department ID. Okay, this is the foreign key. I'm ending with this. Okay. So I will take the values to inserting the values. It is taking time, just a moment. So I have taken the static data. Okay, so this is the data we have taken. We have to fetch in, we have created the two tables columns, right? So I'm taking the data here. So you know already how to fetch the data using insert query, right? So not that's why I'm not writing here. So directly I'm fetching here the data.